Welcome to our explainer on mastering your John Deere CS71 or CS81 chainsaw. Let's dive right in. Today we're hitting critical safety, step-by-step assembly, essential chain maintenance, and a quick troubleshooting matrix.
First up, safety. These beasts get crazy hot, so avoid that muffler completely, even after you're done.
Now, your absolute biggest danger? Kickback. It's a lightning-fast reverse reaction that can cause serious injuries.
It typically happens when your moving chain hits something solid right at this upper guide bar tip.
Or if the wood pinches the chain at that top edge, it'll violently drive the bar backward.
All right, let's talk safe and proper chainsaw assembly. Disengage the brake, pop the cover, and toss that plastic shipping spacer first.
Next, adjust the tensioning pin all the way toward the rim sprocket before fitting your chain.
This is crucial. If that tensioning pin misses the hole, you'll cause severe damage during reassembly.
Moving on, how do you guarantee a perfect, safe cut every single time?
It's all in the filing. Use a 7/32" round file mid-bar and tighten it to stop wobbling.
Keep your file totally level with the top plate of the tooth, always stroking toward the front.
Getting your depth gauge right is huge. Too low means kickback, but too high totally ruins cutting.
Okay, let's jump right into the troubleshooting matrix.
Engine dead? Check for spark or flooding. Starts but won't idle? Just adjust that carburetor T-screw.
Engine runs, but the chain won't spin? Your brake is probably engaged or the assembly is damaged.
If your bar starts smoking, stop immediately. Check the oil tank, chain tension, and your automatic oiler. Always wear safety gear. And hey, leave the complex clutch or flywheel repairs to the authorized dealers. So, are you ready to operate this powerful machine with the strict respect it absolutely demands?